Ah, the roar of an engine, the thrill of acceleration, and it's that bond between the rider and the machine. Motorcycling has always been about the experience. But as technology evolves, a new debate has emerged. Electric motorcycles versus traditional gasoline-powered motorcycles. Today, we dive into this hot topic. I'm Reembo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is undeniable. The world is moving toward cleaner energy. Electric motorcycles promise a future with zero tailpipe emissions, but is the switch really that green? While electric bikes emit no exhaust, critics point out to the environmental impact and cost of battery production and electricity generation. Yet, as renewable energy grows, this argument could shift in favor of electric motorcycles. Electric motorcycles boast impressive acceleration, and that's thanks to one thing: instant torque. But for many of us, motorcycling isn't just about speed. The unmistakable roar of a gasoline engine has been synonymous with biking for well over a century. Electric bikes, while quieter, offer a different, futuristic vibe. For many, motorcycling is a steeped in tradition, iconic brands, historic races, and a culture built over decades. But cultures evolve. Electric motorcycles are carving their niche with new traditions, events, and communities. You see, the practical side of the debate centers on cost and infrastructure. Like I said, that's the practical side. While electric bikes can have a higher initial price, they often have a much lower running cost. Infrastructure is another challenge. While gas stations are all over the place, charging stations, however, specifically those that can handle electric bikes, are still catching up in many areas. But with increasing investments in renewable infrastructure, the scales are starting to tip. So the debate between electric and gasoline motorcycles isn't just about specs or stats. It's really about the soul of motorcycling. Its past, its present, and its future. So whether you're a purist or a futurist, one thing remains constant: the love for the ride. So whatever side you're on, remember to ride responsibly, respect one another, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. This is Reembo. Please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.